Innovation to me is to solve people's problems in a different way, so that brings very special and additional value. And to do so, you need technology as well as figure out what exactly the people needs to be solved.
There are so many startups and new companies innovating everything that you can think of. Just like you have seen on the movie, there are new technologies that it was predicted in the past. Now they realize everything today.
Taiwan is kind of edge for silicon companies, and now we're working to kind of unite artificial intelligence with silicon. So that is why this expo is very efficient to make business relation with chip manufacturers.
A lot of people visiting the booth and to see what the startup is doing, and then so it's very engaging crowd here. So I think it's quite vibrant for this event that I've ever seen.